Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let X be the set with exactly 5 elements. So, there is a set X which contains 5 elements, and Y be the set with exactly 7 elements. So, you got set Y which contains 7 elements. Great. If alpha is the total number of one function, if alpha is the number of one function from x to y, so from this to this you have to make one function. Now you know that how does one function works. One function is n factorial, but we have to stop where we will decide later. So n factorial means you have to start from next. So 7 choices, then 6, then 5, then 4, and then 3. Why here? Because you have to stop at 5 elements now. So after writing 5 things, you have to stop. Okay, so you wrote 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 5 elements you have used, so you are done. Now focus on beta. So who is beta? Beta is the number of onto function. Onto function from y to x. So from this direction to this direction you have to make. Acha, for onto function you have to make groups. How many groups? You have to make 5 groups out of 7 people. Now look at this: A, B, C, D, E. So you have to make 5 groups. Let's name it as A, B, C, D, E. And you have how many people? 7 people are there. So minimum, so 4 and 3, 7. Now you have to start breaking 3. So 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. So only this many groups are possible. Now you guys can write. So total number of people were 7. Then 3 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. 1 is being repeated 4 times. Okay, so it is 4 factorial. So this is group 1. Okay, now next plus. This can also be the case: 7 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. 2 is being repeated twice, so for that 2 factorial. 1 is being repeated thrice, for that 3 factorial. So grouping is done. Now after making groups, you have to make n factorial. So how many groups you got? 5 groups. And next group has, like next set has 5 elements. So it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This means 5 factorial. So you got your alpha, you got your beta. Now you guys have to do beta minus alpha upon 5 factorial and get the answer. Just try this thing up, and whatever answer you will get, just put that number in the comment box so that we can interact with each other. Okay, and if you are finding these sessions to be interesting, please do subscribe, because it takes nothing but it highly motivates us. Okay, so there is whole team working for you guys, so it is your responsibility to keep us motivated. Okay, so see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.